Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to factory reset Samsung Freestyle Gen 2. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're having problems with your Samsung Freestyle Gen 2 here, there is a way for you to reset it. So we'll be referring to the official website here directly from Samsung themselves. So in this case, the first thing you want to do is you want to grab the remote or Freestyle remote here, and you want to press the home button until the quick settings menu actually pops up or appears in your screen. Now, from then on, you want to go ahead and go to all settings, and you want to scroll down to the general and privacy section, and then select reset from there, as you can see right now on this picture here. Now, it'll ask you for a pin, so if you haven't set one before, it's going to be 0000. So that's the default pin that is set to your Samsung Freestyle Gen 2. Now, in this case, once you enter a pin, just select reset and then hit OK to confirm, and the projector will restart automatically. And that's it. That's everything that you need to do here to use, or in this case, put it into a factory reset. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.